Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, it's another great day, and today is the day we're going to do some unboxing. We have the Narrak trike over here. We're going to get unboxed and see how it is, take it out for its first ride, so stick around. All right, here's a look inside the box. I see a very nice color blue. We've got 3 tires. We have a spot for a basket that looks like a basket over there. It looks like maybe a front basket there. That's probably a seat over there. Looks like the battery might already be installed. Got some handlebars right here. Got to install. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of installation here, so we're gonna get going. All right, guys, we're getting this thing unboxed, getting it unpackaged. It was packaged pretty well. I'm impressed with that. And they had a couple of these guys right here, one in the handlebar stem and one here in the seat post. It's just an extra support. It's just an aluminum that's shoved down inside here to provide support for the top of the box. I think that's the first time I've seen anything like this. And I like the idea. It's a simple idea, but it gives a lot of extra protection. But here you can see a little bit better the color that we're dealing with. So we like that. So far, what I'm seeing back here with the frame, it looks like it's well built, nice, robust. So I'm liking that. So yeah, we're just gonna continue to build. If we see anything unusual, we'll let you know. All right, guys, the fenders on here are probably the easiest fenders to install that I've had on a trike so far. That's for the ones where we had to install fenders. But super easy because they connect to the basket, and this is how they're designed. So, you know, they just got these brackets here with the screws already there, and they just connect to the side of the basket. So real nice and easy. There's no nuts on the back side you have to deal with because they use threaded inserts right here. So you can just run your screw through, and that's all you got to do is tighten it up. So super nice, really like that. Hey guys, check it out, we got it assembled. Assembly was pretty good. There wasn't a whole lot we had to do. We had to install the front wheel. The front fender, the front basket, the pedals. We had to mount the handlebar stem, which was real easy, 1 bolt right there. And we had to install the rear basket. We have a 750 watt motor. We have a 13 amp hour battery. It is a folding trike. We have hydraulic brakes and a very wide stance here on the handlebars. If you see that, really wide handlebars, but it makes a nice, comfortable riding position. Presumably, I haven't ridden it yet. So yeah, and they sweep back a little more than most. So it also gives it a pretty nice, comfortable feel right there. Twisty throttle over here, shifter, 7-speed. We have a parking brake on this side over here. We have a horn, and we have the button pad over here. Let's power it up, see what the display looks like. There it is, pretty standard display. Shows us our energies, our speed, our pass level, and the mileage. So let's go put some miles on this thing and see how she does. Let's see, we're just gonna go up in the pedal assist 1 to get us started. Give it a little throttle to get through the grass. There we go. Nice and easy. There we go, kind of kicked in right there a little bit. Feels nice in pedal assist 1. Bump it up into 2. And 3. There we go, doing about 10 miles an hour now. And there's 4. Yeah, we're cruising. Doing about 12. I think this goes 20 miles an hour if I'm not mistaken, so let's just see what it does in 5. Bump it on up in the 6th gear over here on the right side. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in 7th gear. Got good pedal resistance there at 15. Yeah, cruising right along. Gonna hit the throttle to see what happens. Nothing much happening right there. So it looks like we're gonna be sitting right about 14 miles an hour. I believe on the website it does say 20, so we probably have to find a way to unlock it, and I think that was in the instructions, so we'll bust the instructions out and figure all that out for you for the next video. Great. I tell you what, guys, great instruction manual. Some trikes don't even come with instructions at all. Narak did a good job of putting together a nice booklet here, give you some great information about how to assemble it, how to care for it, and back here on page 25, there's 2 pages here talking about the display and how you can go in there and make some adjustments. I just adjusted it, so now it does go 20 miles per hour. That's great, because I like going fast, fast, fast. Let's see here. Yeah, lots of good information in here. Probably one of the better if not the best instruction manuals that I have seen. So good on them for that. Yeah, but a nice comfortable ride. Just kind of cruising around. Got these big old balloon tires. I call them balloon tires because they are the full-size 20x4 tires. And that tends to make trikes just a little more bouncy than like a 20x3 tire or something. Let's see how we take the corner here. Yeah, it took the corner pretty good. Took the corner pretty good. Not bad at all. See what that horn sounds like. There we go, we got a horn. All right, guys, so we got it together. We're gonna be putting some miles on this. We're gonna be letting some other folks ride it and see how it does. And we're gonna bring all that to you in some future videos real soon. We're gonna do a full review where we go through and we talk about the specs and show you how it performs. And that's after we get familiar with it. That's how we like to do things on this channel. So after we spend a little time with it and learn all we can about it, then we'll bring you that full review video. So make sure you subscribe and be watching for that. And we'll bring that to you here real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.